Welcome to RGS Cooking with Alicia and Keshni. Today I'm going to show you how to make a burger, chicken burger, which is quick and easy and you can enjoy it. Okay, so to make the burger I'm using chicken schnitzel, which I already fried, and then I've got some onion rings here, and I've got some tomato sliced round, and some fresh lettuce leaves which I've washed. Okay, and then you'll need 2 buns. I'm using this brown buns. I prefer the brown, but if you want to use the white one, you can. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it up quickly, and then I'm going to spread a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm just going to spread the mayonnaise onto the bun, okay, on both sides. And then I'm just going to add, I like Nando sauce, but you can add whatever sauce you want. Okay, if you want it to be a little bit tangy. Okay, and then I've got my my lettuce leaves which I've washed. Just going to add a little bit more lettuce leaves. Okay, and then you can add your burger. Add your burger onto the. Okay, this one is a bit bigger. Okay, and then I've got some onion rings. And you can put a slice of tomato. And then you can just put a little bit of salt. And you can put some black pepper. And there you go, your burger is now ready. Okay, so this is the end product. Okay, it's easy to make. You know, for the kids and even for your lunch, even for their lunch. And I hope that you guys will try it and let me know in the comment section what you thought about it. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you all for watching, and I'm welcome to new recipes, you know, whatever you guys want to watch.